Okay, this is an outline of my talk. I will explain, point out the shift of interest in computer science goes from core programs to systems, and talk about system design. I will discuss three grand challenges, and I will finish with a vision for computer science. I hope you understand the difference between a program and a system. A program is a very simple system that is transformational. It takes input values and produces output values to compute a function. And a program is terminating, it's usually deterministic, and when you are using a higher programming language, its behavior is platform independent. And we have a good theory to understand what programs do. And now, what is a system? A system is a box here. It receives flows of inputs, produces flows of outputs, and we have this interaction with physical environment. And this makes all the difference. So in order to understand the behavior of a system, we have to study relations between streams of inputs and streams of outputs. The behavior of a system is usually non-terminating, non-deterministic by its nature, and this is very important, is platform dependent. It means that in order to understand the dynamics of this interaction, you have to know, for instance, the execution speed of this platform and the characteristics of the physical environment. And I would like to say that we have no theory at all to build systems. Okay? We have theory to deal with programs as mathematical objects, but we have no theory at all to build systems. So there is an important difference. Here, at least we have nice theory, and here, just an outline. So, system consists of hardware, software. Systems may interact with very complex environments. And what matters here is this loop, real-time control. Okay. And this is the important difference. And this slide I summarize again what I said. And so in system design, we should take into account not only interaction between a system software and hardware, but also interaction with the environment. So what I mean by system design? System design is the process that leads to a mixed software hardware system from given requirements. So you have some requirements, and then you have ideally a chain that goes from the requirements to some implementation.